What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, what is up? My name is Aspen, and if you guys aren't new, you guys are probably like, Aspen, where the heck have you been? I have a whole video that will be on my channel sometime in this month explaining where I've been, what I've been doing, what has been happening in my life, but that will be saved for that video. Today we are here because you guys know when Glossier you guys know when Glossier releases a new product, I am on the jump to share it with you guys because if you guys don't know, Glossier is literally my favorite brand, and I'm so happy that I get to be a Glossier rep and rep this brand because it's bomb. I love Glossier. So Glossier sent me their new product to play around with before it released, and I have to say, this is one product that, one, I never thought Glossier would release, but two, it has become probably one of my favorite products that Glossier has released because it is something that I never thought that they would release before. I sound so mysterious, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what the product is. You guys probably already know what it is, but if you don't, this is what it is. This baby right here is called Lidstar, and if you guys can't tell, it's an eye product. I have it on my eyes right now, obviously. And this, like I said, has become one of my favorite products that Glossier has released. Okay. Whatever. This is definitely one of my favorite products that Glossier has released because, like I said, it is something that I never thought that they would release before, and it's something that I never thought that I needed until it was released. And I say that about almost every single one of Glossier's products, but it's true. They are so, like, ahead of the game with their products. I love it. So basically what Lidstar is a glistening eye glow. That is the Glossier lingo for it. If you guys don't, follow that, I would just call it like a cream shadow that is glistening on the eyelids. What I love, it almost makes your eyelids look dewy, and we all know that Glossier is all about like skin, love your skin is cool AF, dewy AF. So I think this like completely follows along with the brand. It literally makes your eyelids look like cute, you got them cute glistening eyelids. It's great. What I love about Lidstar is you can either sheer it out or you can build it up, and I will show you guys later in the demo like what I'm talking about and like how to apply it, because that's kind of important, because you're probably like, Aspen, like how do you use this? But I'll definitely show you guys. So keep watching. Don't click out yet. I promise it'll get more interesting. But yeah, so Lidstar comes in 6 different shades. I have mine right here in, I was going to say herb. Yep, got it in herb. I have mine in herb, which herb is like a smoky green that has like yellow, like glistening little specks in it. But what I love is that they're not like overpowering. Like it's not like glitter on your eyelids, because I'm not a very like big like glittery eyeshadow person, but this just makes my eyelids, like I said, look, like dewy. They look cute. Speaking of being in 6 different shades, they have some fun shades and then they have some everyday shades. So there's something out there for everyone. And I think that every single one of these shades would look beautiful on any type of skin tone. Because definitely this one right here is a little bit darker, but I think on someone with more of a paler complexion, it would look so stunning. I think these would look stunning on any skin tone. I definitely want my friend Des to try this one out right here because I think it would actually look really, really nice on her. So Des, if you're watching this, I think you should, try this one out. Speaking of Des, she has the one in fawn. So if you guys want to watch her video, I will link that down below. She did a demo as well, so you guys can see what it looks like on her. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the demo to show you guys how to even use Lidstar, because you're probably looking at this and like, Aspen, how do I use this? So I will show you guys right now how to use Lidstar, and then I will go ahead and continue to talk about Lidstar. Okay? Yeah, just roll the tape. how you use this baby right here. What I really want to do is I want to get a couple more of them because I want to kind of mix them up, like use maybe herb right here on my eyes and then use like moon in my inner corner, just to kind of make a look out of it. But it's so simple, you know? So I just think that these are so versatile and you can use them collectively and they will look beautiful on any skin tone. So I think Lidstar gets like a 10 out of 10 for me just on that. I think if you're skeptical about Lidstar, I think you should just pick up one that you think that you would use every day and just try it out. I'm telling you guys, you will love these. What I really, really like about these is that they don't budge. Literally, once you put them on your eyes, they lock onto them eyelids. And I have a swatch right here on my hand that you guys can see. I'm literally putting pressure on it. It's not moving at all. Not at all. It's still there. So that is what I also like about these is if you want to build it up, you don't have to worry about what's underneath budging. You can build it up. If you want this to be your daytime look and then add some more and make it a nighttime look. Now that I have discovered Lidstar, there's no way in heck that I'm going to use eyeshadow anymore. My eyeshadow drawer is right back there and I typically will just go in with one color and just blend it all over my eyelids, but this like cuts time in half because I don't have to do all of that blending. And these are just cuter than regular eyeshadow, so I definitely will be picking up some more Lidstars so my eyelids can look like Beyonce's. So you guys are probably wondering like, okay, Aspen, I get it, Lidstar is amazing, but how much is she? Well, this single right here is 18 doll hairs, which is not bad because you get a lot of product in here. This will last me a long time. And you can also get it in a duo for $30. So like I said, if you guys want to mix them, like have this as your base and then put one in your inner corner, I think getting a duo will be a fun, you know, way to mix and make your own eyeshadow look. And like I said, that's $30. So if you guys are interested in shopping Glossier, shopping these Lidstars, I will have my Glossier rep link down below. If you guys want to shop my link, you guys get 20% off your first purchase. So if Lidstar is going to be your first purchase, you can get 20% off your first Lidstars and fall in love with Glossier like I did. If you guys didn't know, I was also a part of the Solution campaign. So if you guys want to shop Solution, you guys can watch my Solution video and you guys can shop some Solution as well. I just love Glossier and I will love Glossier until the day I die. I cannot wait to get my hands on some more Lidstars. These are absolutely phenomenal. Another thing that I love that I think I forgot to mention, which how could I, is I really like the doe foot applicator. I probably showed this in the demo, but I don't remember, so I'm going to mention it again. I love that it's a doe foot applicator, and you can see that it's a pretty doe foot applicator. It's a pretty big doe foot applicator, so literally it holds a lot of product, so you just put some on the eyeballs, and then you just use your finger and dab it out to kind of either shear it out, or if you want it to kind of dry down and then build it up, you can do so. I just talked really fast, but like mentioned, don't forget to check out my Glossier rep link down below if you guys want to shop Lidstar. And yeah, I'm going to have so much fun with Lidstar. I know we're going to be BFFs. I don't know why I just did that. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!